I'm tackling the issue of climate change at home by raising awareness. And I'm just speaking to people in my family and speaking to all my friends and just trying to get them to be conscious about their actions and how that impacts climate change. I'm also using my bicycle more than I would use my car, and I'm getting involved in projects that plant trees more in communities. One, it beautifies that community, and two, it helps remove some of the excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. I consider myself to be a tree doctor because I'm interested in the health of trees. My PhD project and my part-time work as a field extension officer gives me a lot of time to be out in field working with the commercial forestry industry of South Africa. And here really, I'm looking at diagnosing tree diseases and then making recommendations on how we can fix those problems and those issues. And hopefully we can keep trees healthy. Climate change will impact trees in South Africa, especially if it brings on drought conditions. Trees under drought stress are more prone to infections by organisms like fungi and bacteria. Now, considering that the commercial forestry industry of South Africa has no irrigation other than natural rainwater, drought or prolonged drought becomes incredibly difficult to manage and will lead to yield losses. I can't change the world alone, and neither can you, but together we can make a real difference. We can be part of a generation which brings about meaningful change in the fight against climate change. And these are through small actions. Just convince somebody in your community, in your family, to make small changes like using less electricity. Maybe today they should walk or bicycle rather than take a car or public transport. Maybe they should plant a tree. Small changes like this can really make a difference in the world of tomorrow for our families, for our communities, for our country, and for the world.